Now in here, these are the product of the 9 times table. Let us just add 0 so that all the numbers here are 2-digit numbers divided by 9. So you can divide or find the quotient of these numbers without going through the process of long division. You just add here 1. 0 plus 1 is 1, and add 1 here. 1 plus 1 is 2. Add 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. Plus 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. Plus 1. 1 plus 4 is 5. Plus 1. 1 plus 5 is 6. Plus 1. 1 plus 6 is 7. Plus 1. 1 plus 7 is 8. Plus 1. 1 plus 8 is 9. And plus 1. 1 plus 9 is 10.